export on the dollar rupee side, we broadly feel like if you have some hedging, then you can pause for a while. There's no hurry which is needed, but it should not be zero. Your hedges should not be zero, so that if dollar rupee goes to 80 and stays there for a couple of months, you should not panic. Or let's say 79.5, it goes to 79.5 or 79 and remains there for a while. There should not be a need for you to panic. Now, the question is, can it go to 79, 79.5? Why not? I mean, from 80 to 90 to 80.7, it went in a matter of 10 days, right? So sharp moves can happen. And next inflation print, if instead of 7.7, it shows 7.4 flash, you come down. Okay. So that's the reason we are saying that it should not be zero. Maintain enough hedging so that you can sustain for 3-4 months of cash flow, and keep utilizing your contracts and look for a better level to ramp up hedging. But if a company has a very low amount of hedge, then yes, on upticks of like 82 half, you can do some hedging. But otherwise, keep utilizing. If at all you want to hedge or you are forced to hedge, you can consider range forwards like 81 to 85. So how will a range forward of 81 to 85 work? For 6 months, next 6 months contract, it will protect you at 81. So if rupee moves to 79, 78 for any reason, then you are protected at 81. You'll get 81. If rupee moves between 81 and 85, then you are like at market, no hedging, nothing, no obligation. If rupee moves beyond 85, then only you have to sell at 85. So this will come at a zero cost. So something like this you should consider range forward. Coming to Euro and GBP, we feel this is a time to build hedges. Most of the companies are at the low end of Euro and GBP hedge. It's on the export side. So you can now take it towards high side because the premium is good, the rate has come up, chances of it going down is high. Good time to increase the hedges on the Euro and GBP. Somewhere between medium to high will be the right hedge ratio on Euro and GBP. And coming to Japanese yen, yes, I feel the same, that the hedging should be continued, and the hedge ratio should be around medium to little high, because the premiums are good. The rates have changed recently after touching 5.5 level. It has come back to 5.875, and it can be expected to go back towards 5.5, 5.6. So that's the broad thoughts.